Hello Tech lovers, I welcome you to this channel, Tech with Bunmi. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving us lectures on how to create some activities coloring books for kids. We're going to be focusing on the ABC animal coloring book for kids. So stay tuned, and before I continue, I want to tell us a bit about digital products. For you to be able to create a digital product, it's very easy, but you just have to choose a niche, okay? And this channel, though we don't have a niche on this channel, but I give you all the tutorials how to create journals, from digital journals to activity journals to mental health journals to affirmation journals and content creators, social media marketing, Instagram posts. Okay, so we just give you all the tutorials. All you just need to do is pick the one that suits you and you watch it. Okay, and this is a way of giving back to you on how to earn money for yourself as a busy mom, as a stay-at-home mom, as someone that is busy when you have a 9 to 5 job. You can do this from the comfort of your home. And if you need a guide, you can reach out to me. My one-on-one link is in my description box. Okay, so now let's get started. Most of us, we use ST. Okay, you go to ST and you upload on ST. Or personally, for me personally, I like to use System.io, or I use my website. Okay, so because if you put your product on ST, it's as if you're promoting ST. So I prefer to put all this on my website for as a beginner. But for beginners that you're selling digital products, you can either use st.com or you use System.io to sell your digital products. So now, if we come to ST and you type some coloring books, these are some similar coloring books that we're going to be giving us lectures on today. Okay, so watch out for it as we get started. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. So as you can see, this is a coloring book for animals, alphabets coloring books. If you check, this is getting like 2,676 reviews, right? And if you scroll down, you see what the person has done. Okay, then we'll check another one for this coloring book. This person is selling for $6, so you have authority to your price. Okay, nobody's going to dictate the price for you. As you can see, this is what this person did. So we're going to be doing something similar like this, not exactly, but something similar like this. So we're going to be making use of ChatGPT, Canva, and we're also going to be making use of our playground.com. So this is the playground.com account. Okay, if you need this, you'll find the link in the description box. So we're going to look for coloring books. So this is coloring book. We click on it. So it's generating the coloring books. So we have different types of coloring books here, as you can see. And I'm going to tell us how we're going to do this. So I'm going to come to ChatGPT, right? I'll tell ChatGPT, I want to start a business on digital products, and I would love to go into activities book, coloring book for kids in general. My 4 digital products will be ABC animal coloring books for kids. Learn the alphabets with fun animal adventure for the age of 2 to 4 years. Can you list all the alphabets and animals plus the meaning of the animal? And I'm going to click on enter. So it's listing, can you see? It's listing for me the alphabet, what we need, A to Z. Yeah, awesome. So this is good. So we're going to, after doing this, then I'll come back to this place, my playground. Then I'm going to choose a pattern. I can just create a new one, right? Then I'll put my prompt here. So I added my prompt here. Let me choose cute animal. Okay, it's loading. So I told this AI to give me generate animal that starts with the letter A. okay, and enter. I'm going to click on enter. So I'm going to change this image, like give me another animal with letter A and the word. Okay, I'll click on enter. So it's going to take some while for it to come up. Next step is to go to canva.com. Then you come to create. We change this to, if it's on pixel, we change it to inches. So we're going to do 8 by 0.5 by 8.5. Okay, then I generate the page. So this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to come to my elements. I will look for alphabet A. We are going to be using our uppercase and lowercase. So I'm going to choose this. This is looking nice. And there are some that are pro. Anywhere you see something like this crown, then is a paid Canva, because I'm using the paid Canva. Should in case you want to use the paid Canva, then you'll find my Canva link in the description if you're interested in signing up for Canva. Okay. Then I come to ChatGPT again. Then I copy the description, like a big reptile with a long tail. Copy, and I come back to ChatGPT. Then I can use same font. I can change the font later. Then I put the meaning in, paste. So this is it. Let's align it. Let me see if this is going to work. No, okay. So this is it. Then we'll come to our next page. Our next page is going to give us the animal. So let me get the alphabet here. A. So I'm going to come here. Pro. Some of the alphabet, if you are using the Canva, most of the alphabet, you need to sign up for the Pro of Canva. Okay. Then I come back to this. You come here. You export. I would upscale and remove background. I'm using the paid version of this playground, or you can use the free version. The free version has a very limited stuff, but if you want to use this as a business, I will encourage you to use it, to use the paid one. Okay, so I will upscale and remove background. Upscale and remove background. So it's going to take a while. So I removed the background. So I'm going to click on any of this for me to download. So now we can download. It's been downloaded. Then we'll come to Canva and we'll upload what we downloaded. So we make it to fit our box here. Yep. So I added a prompt here that it should change the color for me, and I'm going to add this as my top page. And I come here to export and I download. Okay, and I come to my Canva and I click on upload. We upload our file. I think this is it. Then we make sure it fits our page. Make sure it fits the page. So Tech Lover, this is our lot A. But because of our time, I don't want this video to be too long, right? I'm going to pause now and finish it up to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, up to Z, okay? And I'm going to show us the end result at the end of this video, okay? And thank you for watching, and do not forget to share this video, like it, and if you watched it up to this moment, please kindly comment in the comment section if you're going to try this and sell. For you to be able to sell, you can use System.io, or you post it on st.com. Then you start making sales. You promote it with Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram accounts. Okay. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me. Bye for now. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Cheers.